This video is going to teach you exactly how to start making money online for completely free, no upfront costs using Canva, Etsy, and Printify. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Cassie. I'm an online entrepreneur, and I've actually dedicated this channel right here to teach you how to start learning how to make money remotely from your phone, and most of the time with zero upfront costs. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, make sure to support by subscribing, liking, or sharing this video. And if you're just ready to just dive right into it and take that leap of faith, then check out the UBC course down in the description. It is a marketing and branding course that will teach you everything you need to know and fast track your success a whole lot more. But that's not what today's video is about. It's about learning how to start up a business with zero upfront costs. And most importantly, the timing of this video is crucial because the holiday season is right around the corner, and I want to make sure that you guys are bringing in a little bit of extra income so that you can spoil your loved ones. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about Printify. Okay, if you haven't heard of it, Printify is an on-demand printing service. It lets you create custom products, custom mock-ups. So anywhere from t-shirts, from mugs, to baseball hats, to yoga pants, X, Y, and Z, you name it. And the best part is that you don't even have to hold any inventory or stock when starting your business. And I'm going to dive deeper into this and how to link it to automatically have someone place an order and then it get created for you, and you don't have to do anything but the work that I'm going to teach you in this video. So it is free to sign up for Printify. When you sign up, you'll be able to browse through their whole catalog of what they have as options. Again, phone cases, bags, socks, hats, underwear, face masks, baby accessories, mouse pads, pet stuff, like you name it, Printify has it. So depending on what it is that you want to create, you can dive in and start adding your logo, adding your branding to these products. And again, the best part about Printify is that they only print and ship items after you've made a sale. So literally, you do not have to hold all of these items as inventory. There's no upfront cost. So head over to Printify, go create a free account, and meet me back here when you're ready to start creating. Start by opening up Canva. Even if you don't have experience like me, or you're visually or creatively in tuned, Canva literally makes you feel like you know exactly what you're doing. So for me yesterday, I started out by just creating things that I love, right? I'm an aunt, so I put fave aunt. Let's see if I can zoom in here. I just got creative. So yesterday I put like fave auntie, hot dog mom for life, hot dog mom, hot dog dad. And then I started dabbling into the Christmas theme here. So I created an ornament for 2024. Merry Christmas, favorite auntie, Christmas, dog dad. And then this one is so cute. Look at this. Dear Santa, define naughty, asking for my dog. So let me dive into how to kind of navigate how I even got here as someone who's not tech savvy. So basically, you can click up here to create a design, and you can then choose like what is it that you want to create. So for me, I just started off with logos, so 500 by 500 px, and from there, that's when now I can dabble into this kind of sidebar here that says design elements, etc. So if you scroll all the way up, this is actually my first design I created. It says fave auntie. So I just clicked on logos, and then as you can see, design, you can search logos. So for me, I started off with just searching logos and finding one that I liked. I didn't know what I was going to come up with. And then see here, these are the first two. These are the two that I ended up really liking that I knew I could turn into something. So all you have to do, honestly, is just click it. And I changed it. So depending on what it is that you want, you can create like a dog mom, you can create a lash artist logo, whatever it may be. But for the instance of Christmas, if you want to if you want to take advantage of the holiday season coming up, you might want to start creating stuff that you can put on t-shirts and sweaters and mugs and all that stuff that people could potentially buy for their family for Christmas or gift someone for it, right? So that is why I started dabbling into cute little logos or sayings that I personally would buy as a dog owner over the holidays. So now it's time, once you have taken the time to create your design on Canva, I'm going to show you how to now take this design, bring it over to Printify, and actually have it come to life on some form of merchandise that you eventually want to sell. So the trick is when you are exporting this or downloading this from Canva, you're going to want to go up here to the top right-hand corner and hit share. You're going to go ahead and click download. The file type is going to be PNG. The file size 500 by 500, or you can even bring this up. By increasing the size, it's just making it more clear. The picture, the image, the logo is going to be more clear. And for me, I like to do the transparent background because ideally I just want the main picture being added to the t-shirt or the mug, not this burgundy background. But if you like the burgundy background, you can keep it like that. So I'm going to hit the transparent background, and I am going to, you can either download all, or you can just download the one page. So for me, I'm going to unselect all. I'm going to just hit current page, and I'm going to go ahead and hit download. All right, so it's saved here at the top. Let's go over to Printify, and I'll show you how to put this on a t-shirt. So now we're back over onto Printify, and we're going to go ahead and hit on catalog. Let's say, for instance, I want to put this on a t-shirt. So I'm going to go over to women's hoodies, and I'm going to find a sweatshirt that I think that I can rock. I definitely like this cropped look, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to hit start designing. You're going to want to go up here to the top right-hand corner and select variants. This is where you can select your size and your color. So for me, I like to choose pretty much all of them. So go ahead and pick the colors that you want. So for me, I'm pretty basic. I like white, gray, black camo, black bone, and sage. So we're going to go over to upload. We're going to hit my device, and we're going to go find our download. So it's here. I'm going to open it. And now we just want to fit it to size. Okay, so now I'm noticing that my writing for this color of t-shirt should be black because you can hardly see it, right? But let's dive into, let's switch it. Dear Santa, define naughty, asking for my dog. This for me looks so good. I would definitely rep this and this color. And this is cute too. So you can choose to go back in Canva, change the color of this writing to be black, or you can just not offer the bone or the white. So for instance, if you liked this, let me go back over to Canva and let me quickly change this to black. All right, so now everything's black. I'm going to go ahead and download it again. Okay, and now we're back on Printify. I like the way that it looks with majority of these colors, but I still want to offer it in white. So what I now do is I click on bone or white, and I say make a specific design for bone. Okay, so we're going to delete this design, and now we're going to upload a new design. Perfect. So now our new design is uploaded, and all we have to do is, all right, that looks good. And I'm going to do the same for the white. So I'm going to come over to the white. I'm going to say make specific design for white, delete this one, and upload the new one. Put it to the sizing of your liking. All right, so we have created our very first design. And for this design, I just have the front edit. But if you wanted to, you can also turn it over to the back and add another logo on the back. But for this purpose, I'm just doing the front logo. So now we're gonna go ahead and hit Save Product. Now, this is where Printify asks you to select what you want to use for your mockup library. So for your mockup library, this is what's going to show in your Etsy storefront or your Shopify storefront. So for me, I'm going to choose which ones that I want to use. So they just give you these basic ones, but for me, I really do enjoy, but I'm going to delete these because I'd rather showcase a woman using the product. So for me, I like to choose the one that I like the most and have that one as the feature. So I believe I liked the black the best. So I'm going to go ahead and click this girl. Then I'm going to make sure that it's showcased in all of the colors. Okay, then we're going to hit save selection. All right, people, I hope you are prepared because we have almost created our very first product that is going to be shipped to someone who purchases from you today or tomorrow or next year, and you have never had to touch this physical product. So bear with me. The next step is connecting your print on demand service to your storefront so that people can start buying from you. And guess what? So far, it has cost you $0 to start this business. So all I ask is for you to subscribe, like, share this video, or even leave a comment so that I can help enhance my videos even more. So we are going to title this. For me, I like to put kind of what the slogan is on the t-shirt, and I then put cropped hoodie. All right. I leave the description as is. You can add some tags. So Christmas, holidays, sweater, dog mom, etc. And then Printify also offers an option for you to personalize, like add a card to the order. So again, it's a all-in-one service where you can really have someone else do all of the heavy lifting. You are just leveraging a platform that's going to do it for you. And I'll show you at the end when it comes to pricing how they get paid for the work that they're doing. And it again costs you nothing. So let's keep scrolling down. Shipping, you're going to want to automatically have it assigned. And for this, okay, we're in the pricing option. They give you an idea of what you should be pricing this product at. So for instance, for me, this sweater should go for around $73 USD. Okay. The profit for me will be around $30 USD. And because the product production costs around $36. And I've used other platforms before, but this is why I specifically love Printify, because it breaks down the cost. It also breaks down and incorporates the cost of the Etsy fees. So setting up a storefront with Etsy, there's going to be costs involved. There's going to be costs involved with Printify of how much it costs to produce and ship this product, right? So at the end of it, they're telling you how much you should price it so that you can at least get a substantial profit. So $30 that I'm going to be making off of every single sale is a win for me. So let's go ahead and publish it. All right, so it's now publishing to my store. If you guys haven't done so already, head on over to Etsy, create an Etsy account. It's completely free. Open up a store, and when you're ready to connect it to Printify, you just go up here to the top left. You're going to go ahead and click Manage My Stores, and then this is where you add a new store. And that's it. Now you know how to create lists and promote your very own products online for free. I hope you are as excited as I am about this online business model. And if you found this video super, super helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop any questions that you have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.